truth is not what you want it to be, it is what it is, and you must bend to its power or live a lie. Whatever your determination or willpower, it is foolish to try to change the nature of things. Things work the way they do because that is the way of things. Nobody is strong and nobody is weak if he conceives of the body, from the head to the sole of the foot, as a unity in which a living mind circulates everywhere equally. Do not regret what you have done. The only reason a warrior is alive is to fight, and the only reason a warrior fights is to win. Do not sleep under a roof. Carry no money or food. Extricate yourself by your own wisdom. In large-scale strategy, it is beneficial to strike at the corners of the enemy's force. If the corners are overthrown, the spirit of the whole body will be overthrown. Many things can cause a loss of balance. One cause is danger, another is hardship, and another is surprise. The ultimate aim of martial arts is not having to use them. Do not waste time idling or thinking after you have set your goals. Everything can collapse. Houses, bodies, and enemies collapse when their rhythm becomes deranged. From one thing, know 10,000 things. Step by step walk the 1,000-mile road. Understand the harm and benefit of everything. Perceive that which cannot be seen with the eye. If we look at things objectively, from the viewpoint of laws of the world, we see various doctrines departing from the true way. Generally speaking, the way of the warrior is resolute acceptance of death. No fear, no hesitation, no surprise, no doubt. With your spirit open and unconstructed, look at things from a high point of view. Distinguish between good and evil. A man cannot understand the art he is studying if he only looks for the end result, without taking the time to delve deeply into the reasoning of the study. The path that leads to truth is littered with the bodies of the ignorant. Really skillful people never get out of time, and are always deliberate, and never appear busy. From this example, the principle can be seen. It is difficult to understand the universe if you only study one planet. Fixation is the way to death. Fluidity is the way to life. Aspire to be like Mr. Fuji, with such a broad and solid foundation, that the strongest earthquake cannot move you, and so tall that the greatest enterprises of common men seem insignificant from your lofty perspective. The purpose of today's training is to defeat yesterday's understanding. Be neither insufficiently spirited nor over-spirited. An elevated spirit is weak and a low spirit is weak. Do not let the enemy see your spirit. There is nothing outside of yourself that can ever enable you to get better, stronger, richer, quicker, or smarter. Everything is within. Subscribe my channel if you like my work. And don't forget to press the bell icon.